Yo, my guy, what's up?
Charlie,
What's
up?
Yo, Charlie, be some girl be we account report for you. Oh. The girl she dey bully me too much for Twitter and that's why I come here and made them block her account. Give me. I don't know. I tire give the girl. Oh, so when you come here, hey, Charlie, you there? No, hey, Charlie, I fear you. Oh, Charlie, what did they talk? Oh, Charlie, if you show that thing with the talk, you what you can do for her? Oh, Charlie, I wake up this morning where I see them block my account. Oh, seriously, I swear. Oh, Charlie, sorry. Charlie, that be why I come here to can ask them why they block my account. Oh, that one there, nah.
Please, good afternoon.
Sir, welcome to Twitter Ghana. How can we help you?
Please, my new song is coming out next week.
Okay, sir, please, date and hashtag.
Oh, the song will be out on the 4th of May, but please, I don't have hashtag yet. But the thing is, I want to tweet something on that day to insult all Twitter Ghana, so say the song will trend.
Sir, please, with due respect, we don't promote violence on our platform.
Oh, sorry, I don't know.
But we can help you create a healthy beef between Sarkodie or Shatta Wale, if that's okay for you.
Oh, Shatta Wale, I will prefer Shatta Wale.
Okay, sir, please go and submit your proposal at the reception. We will review your page and get back to you.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Sir, please help me call the next person.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Please, who's the next person? Oh, next. Oh, Charlie, what's up? It's my turn. You can't meet me for here. What the wrong you? For relax. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching this video. And I know you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe. That red button, click it and subscribe. Please. I beg you, please subscribe. Please subscribe.